Hey there, Singaporean investors. Tired of sifting through endless news trying to figure out what truly matters for your SGX portfolio?
Or maybe you're wondering how today's market moves impact your investments. Welcome to the Investing Iguanas Daily SGX Market Digest for August 20th, 2025. I'm Iggy, and in the next few minutes, I'm cutting through the noise to bring you the critical updates, hidden insights, and Iggy's unique take on exactly what happened on the SGX today and what it means for your money. No jargon, just clear, actionable intelligence you won't find anywhere else. The Investing Iguana is ranked 8th in the 2024 Influential Tigers by Tiger Brokers. We just crossed the 1 million mark for number of reads and 58,000 likes. I've produced over 1,000 videos with more than 600,000 watch hours as of August 2025. I also focus on regional and global economic trends, giving you that broader context. So, let's dive into today's most important SGX movements. You don't want to miss what's impacting your portfolio right now. The Straits Times Index took a gentle dip today, closing lower as regional sentiment wobbled. Investors showed caution, keeping a close eye on global news and regional policy changes. It's one of those days where the market treads water, waiting for fresh signals. Now let's zoom in on Capitaland Investment Limited, ticker 9CI. SI, a heavyweight in the real estate and asset management world. They just announced they'll provide retail advisory services to Malaysia's Astaka for a new mixed-use project in Johor. This project, worth about $1.2 billion, includes a lifestyle mall and a 5-star hotel, both set to ride the expected wave of cross-border travel and retail activity thanks to the Johor-Singapore Special Economic Zone. Capitaland Invest shares nudged up by 1.1%, closing at $2.70. To me, this signals growing investor confidence in cross-border projects, especially with tourism and business flows picking up. Could this be a blueprint for more regional expansion plays? Next up, Capitaland Ascendas REIT, A17U, SI, another core player in local and global REITs. The trust completed the purchase of 2 freehold land plots in the UK, located in the East Midlands. They're planning to build 4 new logistics properties. A smart move, as demand for logistics space continues to rise with e-commerce growth. The unit price ticked up 0.8% to close as $2.70. Steady demand for logistics worldwide keeps shoring up these kinds of investments. And it prompts the question, could more Singapore REITs look abroad for growth? Last but not least, iFAST Corporation, ticker AIY. SI saw a sharp move today. Shares dropped 8.5% to end at $8.94 after a big stake was sold off by CP Invest, a Temasek-linked entity, who offloaded about 14.4 million shares at a 6.7% discount. Analyst Tae Wee Kwong from CGS International says this hints that iFAST is fairly valued at its current price. The heavy trading volume suggests some investors are taking heed while others might see an opportunity brewing. Is this a healthy reset, or is sentiment shifting for fintech players on the SGX? All right, let's bring it all together. Today's SGX action, especially the mix of real estate, logistics, and fintech moves, highlights just how interconnected the regional and sector stories are. The most crucial takeaway: the market is reminding us to stay nimble. Big institutional moves like CP Invest's offload in iFAST or Capitaland's cross-border bet can ripple through portfolios quickly. For retail investors like us, it's wise to keep an eye on how regional trends like travel and e-commerce drive long-term value beyond just today's headlines. And as always, keeping your holdings spread across different themes, not just one hot sector, is a good way to cushion short-term swings. That's the scoop for the SGX today, August 20th, 2025. Navigating these daily market shifts is crucial for your wealth growth right here in Singapore. If you found this digest helpful and want to get my real-time analysis, urgent insights, and a daily heads up on crucial market movements delivered to you up to a week before anyone else sees them, then our premium membership is for you. It's just $3 a month, about the price of a cup of coffee. Think of it as your daily dose of market foresight directly from my desk. Ready to stay ahead in the Singapore market? Just click the link in the description below to become a member. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow investors, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's market. I always read them.